Hello guys, so we were opening some merchandise, a Psycho Jump merchandise. Came from Japan pa to guys, and thanks to Bad Pirates kasi legit silang store who sell some cards, TCG cards, fresh from Japan. Hindi mo na kailangan guys, parang pasabay, hindi mo na kailangan maghanap pa ng supplier, mga legit supplier kasi sila, legit na po sila. So I ordered the Psycho Jump with 5 Dawn cards of Chopper and a card of Kobe. Medyo kasi konti lang yung mga Kobe cards. So sabi ko parang gusto ko mag-collect ng mga Kobe cards. Although nag-release na yung OP11, wala pa tayong funds for the OP11 box. Siguro I will try to buy singles na lang, pero who knows, diba? So ayan, medyo sana okay yung mga cards. Aray, wishing na okay yung mga cards. Na-bend siya guys. It's kinda okay naman yung nadali yung hindi ako nagwawala guys. Nadali yung clear file. Maganda yung clear file guys. Buti yung cards safe naman. Ayan. So wait lang. So ito yung laman. Buti na lang talaga safe yung cards. Nag-bend siya. Why? So ito, hindi ako familiar nito. Pero cute naman siya. This is a clear file. Ayan. Ang cute naman ito. Then, I have this Kaiju number 8. Ang cute ni Kafka. Ito. Yan. Pack. Nahulog guys. So, for the, for the cards tayo. So, here's the promo card of Kobe. Ayan. This is not foiled, pero textured siya and kasama po yung ibang mga cards like this one. I'm not playing this card. Pero since free naman, 'di ba? Careful. Wait. Yun. I'm excited sa Dawn card na Chopper. So, again, this is Dragon Ball. Ayan. And meron tayong it's so cute. Pero hindi rin ako naglalaro nito guys. I'm not playing. Mamaya natin na si Chopper. So this is the Kobe. Full art. I can say full art siya pero hindi siya foil. Textured. So this is it. This is non-foil. Na Chopper Dawn cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yan. So this is the back of the Dawn card if you're a newbie. So I really like Chopper cards guys. I have meron na rin akong number of Chopper cards and the Kobe. Yan. So, ayun lang guys. Thank you for watching. And again, thank you sa Bad Pirates because hindi na hassle bumili ng mga merchandise from Japan. Yun lang. Bye!